Dear students, welcome to Sociology, Unit number 4, Social Problems. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in Unit number 4. After watching this video, click below, you will get the links of previous chapters. Let's start. First main, fill in the blanks with appropriate answers. First one, the child labor is prohibited as per dash article of the Constitution. Answer is 24. Second one, Child Marriage Prevention Act was implemented in the year dash. Child Marriage Prevention Act was implemented in the year 2006. Third one, a national policy was implemented in the year dash for the welfare of child labor. Answer is 1987. Fourth one, the law prohibiting female feticide was implemented in the year dash. Answer is 1994. Fifth one, the law protecting children from sexual crimes was implemented in the year dash. Answer is 2012. Let's move to second main. Answer the following in a sentence. First one, name any two social problems of India. Child marriage, child labor. Second question, who are the child laborers? The children, those who are aged below 14 years and work in order to earn money, are known as child labor. Third question, what is female feticide? Answer is, female feticide is an attempt to stop the natural growth of a female fetus in the womb of a mother or aborting fetus forcibly. Question number 4. What is child marriage? According to the law, the marriage that takes place between a boy of below 21 years and a girl who is below 18 years is child marriage. Fifth question, what is gender discrimination? Answer is, the discrimination which happened on the basis of gender is called gender discrimination. Sixth question, what is child trafficking? Any human being below 18 years is recruited, transported, transferred, shifted, sheltered, sent and owned with the intention of exploitation is called as child trafficking. Let's move to third main. Discuss in groups and then answer the following. First one, what are the reasons for child labor? Explain. The reasons for child labor are lack of social environment that honors and protects child rights, the greedy owners who strive for less wages and more work, the migration of families to urban centers. Failure to implement compulsory and universal education, failure to implement Land Reforms Act and Minimum Wages Act. These are all the reasons for child labor. Question number 2. What are the effects of child marriage? The effects of child marriage are: many rights of children continue to be violated. Children fall into the trap of malnutrition, anemia, diseases. Abortions, infanticide, and maternal mortality increases. The chance of girl becoming a widow at a young age is also more. The holistic development of children is stunted. They lost the power of questioning. Sexual assaults on children become more and more. These are all the effects of child marriage. Let's move to question number 4. What are the ill effects of female feticide? Answer: it creates a difference between men and women. Immorality develops in society. It increases the sexual harassment in society. The ratio of women is decreased. These are all the ill effects of female feticide. Question number 5. What are the types of gender discrimination? The types of gender discrimination are: inequality in birth rate, inequality in infrastructure, inequality in ownership, inequality in opportunities, inequality in family. These are all the types of gender discrimination. Sixth and the last question. What are the ill effects of hunger? The level of health decreases. It leads to terrorism. It leads to poverty. It leads to malnutrition.